How to fix Telegram voice messages not playing. If your voice messages are not playing on Telegram, here's how to fix it. First, make sure your volume is turned up. It might sound simple, but sometimes the issue is as easy as your phone or computer being on mute or the volume being too low. Next, check your audio output. If you are using headphones or Bluetooth speakers, make sure they are connected properly. If you are not hearing anything through your speakers, try switching to another output device to test if it's an issue with the device itself. If the voice messages are still not playing, restart the app or your device. Sometimes a quick restart can resolve temporary issues with audio playback. Lastly, make sure you are not experiencing any app box by updating Telegram to the latest version. Head to your Play Store and check for any Telegram updates. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you or if you are still having trouble. Once you have fixed the issue, you will be able to hear all your voice messages clearly and get back to your conversations. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.